Now let's consider an example related to Elif statement in Python. So I'm considering two numbers and finding the relation between these two numbers here. Okay. So the relation can be first number can be greater than second number can be greater than the first number, or both numbers are equal. These are the three possible relations, right? So let's take two numbers. First of all, I'll consider A is one number. So enter any value. Okay. Now similarly, I'll use variable B to store the same. Okay. Enter any value. Now A will be holding one value and B will be holding another value. Okay. So let's implement this Elif statement in Python. First, to check whether these values are equal or not, A double equal to B. Now we can write A and B are equal. Okay. Now we can write another condition saying that A can be greater than B, right? If suppose A is greater than B, then we can print A is greater than B. Okay. And let's implement the else block. If suppose A is equal to B, we can see clearly A and B are equal. Suppose if A is greater than B, then it is going to print A is greater than B. Okay. If these two conditions are evaluated to false, then obviously the relation between A and B is A is less than B. Okay. So we can also write here A is less than B, or B is greater than A. Both are same, right? Okay. Now let's run this code. Enter any value. I'm entering value as 17 and the next value is entered as 3. So you can observe A is greater than B. Okay. So let us suppose this time I'm going to enter values as 67 and 78. So this is going to clearly display B is greater than A. Okay. So let's run one more time, and this time I'll give both the values as same. Okay. So 15 and 15. So it has to produce A and B are equal. Okay. So you can also change the statements inside this print. Okay. Whatever you want to write, you can write here, which is meaningfully like given values are equal. Okay. Here you can also write first number is greater than second number. Here you can write second number is greater than first number. Something like this. Okay.